Something this exciting deserves a sneak peek. You've been waiting, you've been asking, and we have in our square dinnerware romance. Oh, I am so in love with the way this turned out. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Yep, here's our beautiful dinner plate. This is 10.5 inches. You have that rope detail that runs around the edges. And then look at the delicate, dainty blend of our beautiful romance, our old world pops of flowers there. Absolutely stunning. Then look at this as we start to layer piece on top of piece. You have the brightness of the red with the pattern then muted around it. I love how you start to layer these pieces. You're gonna receive the 8-inch dinner plate as well. Look at how gorgeous the bowl is. Again, I love the detail here inside and outside, the rope detailing, bringing everything back to life. And then you're going to also receive the 16-ounce mug. This is one of my absolute favorite mugs. I love the pedestal here. I love the wide rim around the lip. Look at the oversized handle. And you're not just getting one place setting. You're getting 4 place settings. 4 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 8-inch salad or dessert plates, 4 of the soup cereal bowls, and 4 of those great 16-ounce mugs. In romance, first time we've ever done it, limited quantities. You're definitely gonna wanna check it out. And by the way, head on over to temp-tations.com. Make sure you're signing up for our emails, our text messages, because we give sneak peeks like this all the time. All right, everybody, stay tuned. You'll see it shortly.